Miss Tactical Carl, putting your gun through the ultimate test. This is why I trust in Glock. Do you think this gun will fire? Let's find out. This is a Glock. This is why I trust in Glock. This is why I trust my life with my Glock. This is why. Because this bitch will shoot with anything. So can I get some more 9mm? Can I get a few rounds? Alright, only got 2 bullets. Those 2 bullets I had. This is why I trust in Glock. This is why. How you clean your Glock?
I guess since God made Glock, he provided the water to clean it too, right?
Oh yeah.